So we're going to talk about Introduction to TinyML, the book that I hold in my hand, and the idea behind this conversation is to disseminate the information about this up and coming embedded machine learning in TinyML field, the technology and applications, and algorithms and platforms and such. We're going to talk and touch every part of that, and we'll keep it at a very high level. The entire idea of this conversation is to improve and inculcate your curiosity so that you can ask questions, whether you can see your career improving, or whether you can see yourself joining this 1 or 2 years after you graduate, or do your master's or PhD, or whenever you would want to come to join in the industry. Would you like to join as an embedded ML or TinyML engineer? So with that, keep your questions coming.